Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites and then begin activation immediately. Make sure Windows Update and Office updates are installed. Outdated components block activation. Sign into the exact Microsoft account tied to your license because activation checks that account. Temporarily disconnect VPNs or proxies and plug into a stable internet connection so the service can verify your key. Once done, open any Office app as admin and choose Activate Product. This forces the client to communicate with Microsoft and reveals any immediate error codes to address next. Now continue with deeper fixes that resolve most activation failures. Run Office Quick Repair first. It fixes common file issues, then online repair to replace corrupted installation components. This can take 10-20 minutes. If problems persist, run the built-in license tools. Use SLMGR to verify Windows activation and OSP. VBS in Office folder to list and remove stuck product keys. This clears mismatched licenses. Once cleaned, re-enter the correct product key or sign in again. These steps force a fresh license handshake with Microsoft servers. Finish by restarting the PC and testing activation inside an Office app. A reboot often completes pending changes. If activation still fails, note the exact error code and run Microsoft Support and Recovery for Office. It automates many repairs. Make sure system clock and regional settings match your account region because mismatches can block verification. One key troubleshooting tip: create a new local administrator account and attempt activation there. That isolates profile corruption and often allows activation to succeed when your main profile is problematic.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.